Good morning, children. Today we are going to look at your textbook, page 68. 同学们早上好，今天我们要看的是课本第68页。Please take out your textbook because you might need it later when you are doing your work. 那同学们，请你们拿出课本，因为待会儿你们做功课的时候呢，是需要参考课本的。Look at your textbook. The pictures below tell a story from India. Match the sentence parts to form sentences. Then, rearrange the sentences to write the story. So, we have two tasks here. First, we need to match the sentence parts, and then we need to rearrange the sentences. Alright, look at the first picture. The man in green shirt is riding on the donkey, and the man in blue shirt is scolding at him angrily. The second picture, this man, he doesn't know what is happening. There's a lot of question marks on his head. And this man here, he is still very angry and he is covering the donkey's eyes. The last picture, he looks happy, but the man in green shirt is captured. Alright, now we are going to match the sentence parts. 记得我们首先要找到对的句子的配对。Ram covered the donkey's eyes. Very good. And asked Aru the color of its eyes. Very good. Next, Aru insisted. That insisted 就是坚持，他坚持什么呢？Okay, Aru insisted that the donkey belonged to him. 那阿入坚持说这一只驴子是他的 belong to him 是他的。Next, Aru was caught and 阿入被抓了过后，然后发生什么事情呢？ And Ram got his donkey back. Alright. One day, Ram saw Aru. 看到他做什么？ Ram saw Aru riding on his lost donkey. He said that they were brown. 他说他们是褐色。But they were actually black. Alright. Ram told Aru to return. Return what? Return the donkey to him. Alright. We have completed the first task, which is to match all the sentence parts. 那同学们，我们刚刚做完了第一件事情，就是把每一个句子的部分呢配对起来。But now we are going to do the second part, which is to rearrange all the sentences. 那第二件我们要做的事情呢，就是我们要重排我们的句子。We have 6 sentences here. Which is the first one? 哪一个是第一个句子呢？ We always start with a time marker. 一定是从一个时间开始。So, this is the first sentence. One day, Sam saw Aru riding on his long-lost donkey. Verse number 2. Number 2. Ram told Aru to return the donkey to him. Very good. Verse number 3. Okay. Aru insisted that the donkey belonged to him. And number 4. Okay. Ram covered the donkey's eyes and asked Aru the color of its eyes. Number 5. Very good. This is number 5. He said they were brown, but they were actually black. And verse number 6. Alright. Aru was caught and Ram got his donkey back. Alright, you have arranged all the sentences. Can you read with me? 请跟着老师念. One day, Ram saw Aru riding on his lost donkey. Ram told Aru to return the donkey to him. Aru insisted that the donkey belonged to him. Ram covered the donkey's eyes and asked Aru the color of its eyes. He said that they were brown, but they were actually black. Aru was caught, and Ram got his donkey back. Very good. So no worries, you are not going to write this. 同学们，我们今天不是写这一个哈。You will look at your textbook. We have another story here. Write this story from Japan. Use the pictures and notes given to help you. 那今天呢，我们要做的是这一则的故事。You have 3 pictures and all the notes here are given. What are you going to do is, I have given you a Padlet link. Please click on the link and you will see this. A story from Japan 5E. This is the example given. I have gave you one example. So, look at here. Refer to your textbook, page 68. Use the pictures and notes given and write the story. Did you see the cross button here? When you put your mouse there, you will see a pencil. Click on it. Title. Write your name. For example, Jonathan. Then you click on write something and you write your story. One day, ... Make sure you write your story. Alright, this is your work for today. Please do it well. And that's all for today. Thank you and bye.